Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox mobile landscape. First, let's ensure your device is ready. Navigate to your phone or tablet's quick settings or display menu. Look for the auto rotate or screen rotation option and make sure it is turned on. This is a crucial first step, as Roblox relies on your device's native orientation settings to switch to landscape mode. Without this enabled, the game won't be able to adjust its display. 13712. Once your device's auto-rotate is active, launch the Roblox application. After loading into a game, access the in-game settings menu, often represented by a gear icon. 8 within these settings, look for display or graphics options. While Roblox typically adapts automatically, some games might offer specific orientation preferences. Ensure any relevant display settings are set to auto or landscape if available, to allow the game to properly adjust its view. 6. If Roblox isn't switching to landscape, don't worry. First, try completely closing and reopening the Roblox app. Sometimes a simple restart resolves minor glitches. 12. Check for any pending updates for the Roblox application in your device's app store. An outdated version might cause display issues. Also, ensure your device's operating system is up to date. As a last resort, a quick device restart can often clear up any persistent orientation problems. 15. Playing Roblox in landscape mode offers a significantly enhanced gaming experience. You'll benefit from a wider field of view, making it easier to spot details and navigate game worlds. This orientation provides more screen real estate, which is especially helpful for games requiring precise movements or offering complex user interfaces. For the best experience, consider holding your device with both hands, allowing for more comfortable and accurate control inputs during gameplay. 21.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.